Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll cover this amazing lab. So simply click on Start Lab and make sure you subscribe the channel, like the video. Now right click and open the link in incognito window. Now make sure you share the channel with everyone who is participating in the arcade program. Click on understand. Now here, what you need to do, simply click on activate cloud shell button. Okay, and don't jump, just watch the video till the end. Otherwise, if you miss a single step, you won't be able to complete the lab. So simply click on continue over here. Okay, now from the search box, you have to just open the compute engine. Okay, you can type it also if it is not visible. And here in the Cloud Shell page, you have to simply click on authorize. Now here we have to click on create instance. Come to the lab instruction, come to task number 1. Copy this name carefully. Okay, and from here just select E2 machine type, and we have to just change the preset to standard E2 standard 2. All things are correct. Come to the security page and just from here select allow full access to cloud AI APIs. So you have to click on create. It will take some time, around 2 to 3 minutes, so wait for it. Remove it. So finally the VM instance is ripe. Now you have to click on it and just click on view Qcloud command and run in Cloud Shell. Now after that you have to just press the enter button. Carefully follow as I am doing. Now just type Y, hit enter, and if you get error just rerun the command again, right? Again hit enter and again hit enter. So finally it is just doing all the tasks. We are in the SSH session. Now in the description box of this video I've shared this GitHub repository. You have to come over here, select the content and simply paste over here like this. Now here we have to enter the region, whatever region is mentioned on the lab instruction. Control F, region. Just copy the region carefully, paste it over here, hit enter. Now you have to wait for at least 25 to 30 minutes, and after that I'll update you. If I get any error, I'll just let you know. Okay, we have to wait for at least 20 to 25 minutes, and after that if there is any error, if there is any changes, I'll update you. So stay tuned till the end. Make sure to like the video. So finally here we got the output. All the things are done. Now come to the lab instruction and simply check the score for each and every task. And if you're not getting score, just wait for some more time. You'll surely get the score if you follow the tutorial, right? And if you're saying that you want this yellow check my progress bar, how to get it? For that also you can check the video description. How to enable check my progress bar. So just keep hitting check my progress. So this is how we completed the lab. Do like the video and subscribe to the channel guys, and have a great day.